for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.